You want to start a YouTube channel in 2025 and you don't know the equipment to use, stay on this video. The first equipment to have for your YouTube channel is your self-confidence. Your confidence is so much needed than any other thing. Like the confidence to show up on camera. So many persons don't want to show up on camera because they are shy, they feel their voice is awkward, they don't want people to see them, they don't want their friends or family to know that they are doing what they are doing. If you are so shy with people knowing that you are a YouTuber, first off, don't share your link to them. Don't tell them about it. Just keep it to yourself. But the first equipment you need to start a YouTube channel is your self-confidence, your boldness, your voice, your face is what you need. Showing up on camera, be confident enough that what you have to give is good enough. Because many times like what I have is not good enough. I don't think is the best. I don't think is better than what is already out there. No, it's good. Put on the first equipment you need is your self-confidence. Secondly, you don't need to go buy an expensive thing. You need your phone. Your phone is what you need to start with. You don't need to go and you don't have the resources to get a camera, to get all the equipment you need. The first thing, start from where you are, and that's your phone. Use your phone to record. Just press the record. Get a dry cloth or something. Clean your lens, clean the back of your lens and clean the front of your lens, and start shooting with your phone. Shoot with your phone. Ensure your lens is not blurred. Ensure there is no dirt on it. Always clean it. Ensure before you take a shoot, clean your lens, clean the back and clean the front, and that's it. That's what you need. And you don't have money to get a mic. Your phone has a good mic. Just speak out. The next thing is to speak out. Speak out. So when you have the resources to get a mic, buy a mic. But if you don't have resources to buy a mic yet, this video is actually filmed without a mic. I'm filming without a mic. So all you need to do is stay in a quiet environment and speak out. Let your voice be heard. Don't hold back your voice. Don't keep back your voice. Speak out. Speak to the camera. Face the camera. Look into the camera so that people can see you. Be confident to watch into the camera. Face the camera, speak out, and people will hear you. Your voice is going to be heard. And as time goes on, you can actually, when you're able to afford to buy a mic, then do it. But right now, don't hold back because you think you don't have a mic, you don't have a camera, and you don't have a light. The next equipment you need is natural light. You need a natural light. Go in front of your window, shoot. Don't hold back and say, oh, I don't have a light, I need to buy a studio light, I need to buy a studio equipment. If it's beyond your budget, you don't have that budget, use your window light. Shoot during the day. The biggest softbox is lights. The biggest light you need is outside your house. First, just go to a place that is quiet and control the light towards you. Face the light. Don't back the light. Face the light. You can use your hand to actually detect where the light is coming from. Like this, if it's bright, you know the light is coming from, is hitting from this way. If you put your hand back this way, if it's brighter, the light is coming from this side. So just use your hand to measure to see where the light is coming from. By the time you get that, you are good to go. The natural light is your friend. The window light is your friend. If you want more lights on your face, just shoot during the day. Don't shoot at night because you don't have enough light source to get to you. That's it. So first, I said your self-confidence is the first thing you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Your self-confidence, like you can buy that. Your self-confidence. After that, you get your self-confidence. Get your phone in, locking your phone in, clean the lens, the back lens and the front lens. You're good to go. Then your lighting, I said use your window lights, use the outside lights. If you're not in your house, you are outside, shoot outside. But the place should be quiet because you don't have a mic. Speak out, let your voice be heard. Don't hold back, don't speak if you talk very calmly but you don't have a mic, you have to speak out so that people can hear you. You have to be audible because people need to hear what you are saying to listen to you, right? So you have to speak out, you have to talk out, all right? Then another thing you need for your to start a YouTube channel in 2025 is your authenticity. You have to be authentic. You have to come as you are. Like, I'm a Jesus girl, so you know the Bible talks about come as you are. Come as you are. Come with what you have. Come with who you are. You don't have to go and be someone else. It's okay to listen to people. It's okay to get knowledge from what people who are already gone ahead are doing. But you cannot be them. You have to be you. You have to come as you. Like, I am Eve and this is me. So I come as I am. This is my reality. Come as you are. Come with, everybody want to see you. Want to see you have your unique side of you. And that's what you should be giving us to us in 2025. You're not trying to be like the person who has 20 million subscribers or 5 million subscribers. You're not trying to be like anybody. You're just trying to be you. And that's what people is going to resonate with. So come in doing a YouTube channel, starting a YouTube channel in 2025, your authenticity is needed. It's so much needed in this space. So come with it. That's the equipment you need. That's what you need to start a YouTube channel in the year 2025. You don't need so much. If you put all of these things together, and as you grow, you keep investing in what you have already and improving in what you don't have, you get better on the job. Like I said before, you get better on the job. You don't get better outside the job. You don't get better in procrastinating. You don't get better by thinking that what you have is not good enough. Nobody's going to listen to it. Even if it gives you 1 view, even if you get 0 view, even if you get 6 view, even if you get 20 view. I'm like me sharing right now, I don't have the highest of views. But one thing that is certain, you must show up. You must not kill all your excuses. I'm here to tell you, kill all your excuses about equipment. And these are the equipment you need in 2025 to show up. Kill all your excuses and say, I don't have the best phone. There are so many persons who even don't have the phones that you have in your hands, but they are doing with what they have. They are doing the best with it. So you have to use the best, what you have right now, make good use of it. Use the best, like take the best out of what you have, use it, and then improve on it. So don't let the excuse of I don't have a phone, I don't have lighting, I'm shy to show my face in the camera, I don't want people to laugh at me, I don't want my friends to laugh at me. I've told you before, see, don't share your link to anybody, don't tell anybody, just come up here because you need the confidence, you need to be bold, right? So don't tell anybody you're doing YouTube, just show up, let them find you. When they find you themselves, okay, you're already building your confidence, but you're already scared or you're already shy, you are still going ahead to share your link with them. No way. You can show up. You can show up. You have a lot of thoughts. You can shoot, right? You have a lot of thoughts in your head. So put them aside, put them behind you, and show up and shoot, all right? No more excuse of, I don't have a camera, I don't have a mic, I don't have the softbox, I don't have this. No, you don't. That's not all you need right now. All you need is you. Your confidence to show up on the camera, to say, yes, this is me, this is what I have to give. You have so much to give, so give it to us. We are ready to receive it. Don't hold back. Don't keep the excuse of a camera. Don't keep the excuse of a mic. Don't keep the excuse of a light. Everything is in you. What you have right now, start from there, run with it, get better at it, and when you get better, you produce results with it. So yeah, I hope this and secondly, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please watch this video. You see, people don't act until they are asked to. So I'm asking, please subscribe. Please click on the like button, and don't just like it, don't just subscribe. I need you to please watch this video because I am telling you, my watch time is low. I need my watch time to be up there. I want my watch time to get that beyond 4,000 watch time. So it's only going to happen if you watch. So I'm asking that you guys please watch, subscribe, like. If this video finds you and is helpful to you, don't just scroll through. Please stay and watch it. Thank you so much. And somebody dropped a comment on my video saying that my video is good, but the SEO is not there. Yeah, if you guys watch it, this SEO is going to find itself. I'm doing so much to get it out here, and I really hope you guys appreciate it. And I hope I really hope you learn something from this video, and you don't hold back your subscribing, liking, watching, dropping a comment. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for being here. Peace. Kamsahamnida.